Hi, I hope you're having a good day. I'm Willie, and today I'm going to talk to you about something a little bit different. And that is an experience that I want to crystallize forever. And that was seeing the Thomas Dambo Trolls exhibition at the Cheekwood Gardens. Hi, we're going to walk around Cheekwood. So the official name of this exhibition is Trolls Save the Humans, and it is on display from May 2nd to September 1st. I procrastinated getting this video out. I was so excited to tell you about it that I actually couldn't think of anything to say, if that makes sense. I'm a very big fan of the artist. My friend Emma actually turned me on to their work. Seeing everything in a natural environment like the Cheekwood Gardens, I'm just really giddy about it. It was so beautiful, somber. It made me think really deep about life, my impact on the planet and where it's all headed, and how much I love trolls, how much I aspire to connect with nature, and how much humanity thinking they're connecting with nature actually destroys it. The ebb and flow of intention and action and reaction. All right, let's dive into it. The trolls are here. Enjoy the rare and incredible opportunity to view 6 gigantic troll sculpture. Now, see, really hard to read things. The trolls are here. Enjoy the rare and incredible opportunity to view 6 gigantic sculptural trolls that have taken up residence throughout Cheekwood. Internationally renowned recycle artist Thomas Dambo has created over 125 troll sculptures and counting, sharing an environmental message with the world. The giant trolls notice the small people, humans, are disconnected from nature and are harming the planet. The goal of the tribe is to help humans rediscover nature and inspire them to be good stewards of Earth. Very nice page about the artist. Thomas's vision is to create art that inspires people to go explore, have adventures in nature, and demonstrate that trash can be turned into something beautiful. I feel like that's all of my goals, and some days I feel like a piece of trash. Setting that topic down, until I was about 8 years old, I thought trolls were an extinct species, not something that exists in the magic of the mind and myth and lore. I still think they exist, but there are 6 total. We're going to appreciate each one by one. I tried really hard to capture how dynamic they are, and I think the footage is okay. But there's so much water. But if you're there and you're seeing them in 3 dimensions, and the sights and sounds of being outdoors and the flora and fauna of Nashville and Cheekwood, it's just so beautiful and so lovely. So I would definitely recommend, if you get the opportunity, to go see it in person. Up first, Ranja Red-Eye. If I mispronounce any of these fantastical trolls' names, I apologize in advance. The smallest of the group, Ranja Red-Eye is a natural leader with a mighty voice. She speaks from her heart, but understands that words have power. If there's one thing that makes Ranja's eyes turn red, it's hurtful words getting in the way of friendship. Up next, we have Ibby Pip. Let's see. Ibby Pip is handy, optimistic, and a friend of all animals. She has seen how humans build birdhouses to bring birds closer to them, so Ibby uses these colorful homes in an effort to inspire humans. She hopes that humans will consider and care about those they share the world with. But this one had a lot of storytelling elements that I really liked. I wanted to share the planet with a gentle, large troll, Sophis Lotus. I mean, obviously, no stranger to meditation and mindfulness there. Seems to be good at yoga. Sophis Lotus pays attention to the little things and was the first one to notice something was wrong with the world. They're just like tapped in. Nature was changing its rhythm and ways for the worse. Sophis uses his ears to listen to every crackle, thud, and buzz. He feels nature and is mindful of all its beings. Sophis is like the perfect encapsulation of intentionality and also mindfulness. And if you weren't careful, you could miss the impact. It was kind of like quiet luxury. Like, it was perfect when you really took the breath and the height to see how big and how grand this sculpture is. Personality and the face and like the hands. Just awesome. All right, and then we are on to number 4, Basse Buller or Bassie Buller. An explorer and rebel, Basse Buller tends to be all over the place. He interprets no as maybe and sees that boundaries are to be pushed. Bassy Bowler is funny, loud, and uses muddy paint to spread his message to lead humans on the right path. What's the term? He's a disruptor. That's the term I was looking for. And again, the detail in these is so wild because when you get up close, the feet, they're assembled in such a sophisticated way that it's just as impressive to be like 20 feet away and see the whole sculpture, or if you're like 5 inches away. Everything is so meticulously constructed. And this one gave me some insight into the artist's process of making these beautiful sculptures. Those Byzantine workings of how the wood was put together and the elements and the world building. It all came together for me, and this was one of my favorites. But they're all my favorite. You know, that's the hard part. But that's a really good problem to have. All right, so now we're on to 5. And this is Rosa Sunfinger. She is installed next to a smart car. And if you're a millennial like me, you'll remember how clutch these cars were. I wanted one so bad. Never had one. Soft and shy, Rosa Sunfinger cares for plants and other creatures with her life-giving fingers. She spreads her wisdom by showing plants can bring joy back into forgotten places. Her sunny fingertips help flowers grow and thrive, which never stop making her smile. I mean, I love plants, so of course I loved Rosa Sunfinger. The addition of the car made it feel very reclaimed. Also, I love the spiky hair, just so nice. All right, now we're on to 6, and this one certainly had a visual punch. Where humans see trash, Comic-Con sees potential. She hopes to inspire humans to use the skyrocketing amount of colorful eternity material to be creative. You can see her example of this through the necklaces she made for herself and her best friend, Ranja Redeye. Comic-Con is so big, so grand and epic to stand by. And I could look all day at the details of this sculpture. The face is so beautiful, so calm, so expressive. All of the shingled wood on the body, so nice. I'm actively not doing favorites. They're all so good. They're all so cute, and they're all so important to the greater narrative of looking deeper at yourself and nature and the impact and the creation and destruction. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I definitely think that if you can make it work, it is worth going to Cheekwood Gardens this summer before September 1st to check out Trolls, Save the Humans by Thomas Dambo. And also, I think Cheekwood is one of the most beautiful places on earth. It's so fun to walk through. The grounds are incredible. You can spend the entire day just walking around. It's so serene, it's so peaceful. There's so much visual interest and things to look at that you'll never get bored. And exploring the mansion is also really cool. It feels kind of like American Downton Abbey and wistful times gone by and envy and adoration and all of those complex and complicated feelings surrounding wealth, status, and legacy. Also, another thing of note is how great the merch is for the show. Cheekwood has a very nice gift shop. It's worth checking out. They have lots of cool stuff in there just in general. But I did specifically love the t-shirts that they made for this exhibition, but they were sadly sold out of my size. They were going like hotcakes. I didn't get any footage in there, which is sad. You're the best. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for listening to me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to hang out on the regular, then hit that subscribe button as well. Shout out to Thomas Dambo. Check out his website. And I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.